Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you the ancient yogic method. This is for charging the body instantly and safely. This inner breathing technique has a great overall impact on the development of internal powers and inner energies. Certain faculties are particularly enhanced when using particular mudras and or hand positions ranging from internal martial arts to advanced yogic practices. These steps were designed to activate and revitalize important energy centers of the body safely. So this is very 8-step process, and I will be showing you each and every step one by one. Once you master each step, you can do it together. So beginning with the first step, that is called SHUNYATA, it is entering the spiritual realm. In this case, you will be doing Thoraric breathing, that is breathing through chest, and simultaneously you will be cupping your palms, close your eyes like this, and you will be meditate on color red and Muladhara chakra. Muladhara chakra is root chakra, it is end of the spine. So this is the whole process. You will be breathing for 7 cycles. Thoraric breathing, chest breathing. So this is how you can do. So this is Shunyata. So now we will move to the second step, that is called Taibalya.